Well, Mama Sanchez will be able to make the pledge. Ebienu MRV be a proud Hafonian under the able leadership of George Boache, our original minister, and be a proud Ghanaian who be and what can be who say nipa bi gina baby o mutu anamo bi ensem fatene Ghana mrabo bratitu efa bambo ho ene keta se ne proye ho mesrew who bribi pe na waka bibi. Always think about making Ghana that destination and nipa nyina be pese won beba. So be a proud Ghanaian, exhibit those qualities. Eye se wutu ho ache na odo my Ghana. Na de ne kure etu anamo bi exhibit. It is the qualities here say eye loving your country, sacrificing for your country, demonstrating patriotism and truthfulness and honesty. Sesanya ma we nyina ye ingredients e man nipa ne oman empuntu otimi ko or harrison intentional oye wa dwene se obe demonstrate sa qualities we are and other core values we are e ma Ghana ne ntoma pa ye nyina pese ye di fra no yetimi e di efra ne oma me ni benti na ma hyewe na no pay ye di kan ye se me di abasobode ye kwama sector minister through His Excellency Nana Danko Akufo-Addo, the fight against illegal mining and to regulate the front of Galamsey Ejumano, Nana Montuono, Sector Minister Abujinapo, that young man, or the Ossie Eyoyo. And no other who say, Anamontua, or to one Ghana Mampain, se Mercury, I the ye Yensuna, Emma, a good year penny, baby, no, who Susan Sono, Abe Haye Yeni Pedia, and the idea hold on Ebano. Odi mfidie aba saa eye ha no be free oprekope e dia man ye be koso e betu eye ye goodie kama enti Samuel Abujinapo, good morning to you. Make us say let that front of illegal mining kill it off. Then Kenya untama e bia nke ensuo no kra ni atenetene dadaada enya untama wo de why Paul amantem enso sna dikanfo anopei abasobode na mde mawo na masa to amawo se nyese ye bo abaso no na otirimu be ye oda ma nwuma esese wo ye no asotwe esese wo twe no na obi james ade akọ koso ye nyoma ese fata because okra de wo ye babunu te se me yankasa even though become an imchen age is on your side. Work for the interest of Mother Ghana, not for your political party or for friends and family. It is sa Galamsey anamona what you know. Eye ni so ye pa. De to subie. Mama chia to gba afede. Na chia me chia no is a mixed greeting. To gbo adaro mama chia. Me pese appointment letter so e de ma o. Se ko sa bia na ne o si sa ex gracia na esudodo no. O be sa de letter no so abre wa bontina. Letter specifically de ka o mro ka kire. Clearly we are aware that say obe fa sa bia no to ho so a this is what you deserve or mine day ma ye da nyame asese also mpe, but you should have told them from day one, not when the money was being presented to you. Yes, I had to say propaganda be ni populist attempt to be go yen solve problem no for the point they say even the relevance of Council of State crown is still in question. Relevance of Council of State who share 4 times a year but should be 30,000. You talk V8 amount. I buy 40%, not for 60%, or vice versa. Relevance of Council of State is a problem. It solve issues from a national point of view. Near solve issues, maybe that from propaganda and populist point of view, just to get a certain attention. The problems of this country will never be solved. Problems say what money mean and quite have for so solve ni na no. E man yourself ni hwehwe ni mu. Nya say person two problem na say o. Among yourself any shishemu, depending on where you stand at a particular time. Let us solve and approach our problems nationalistically. And never solve your problems. Nye kwasikono jina kwenti approach you. Nye shishemu approach you. What are we saying about the relevance of the Council of State? Because to some of us, absolutely irrelevant. Absolutely irrelevant. Mr. Mumpenfo not to come for your president because Ghana and this house share not to any mum from Josebuya Council of State members. It's never mum from so because Miminyasa Kwenyan be a mayor. But the crap pan say, Jumadia Potin amu yeno, and Susan Soben, the war amamuso. ɛho hia saa bere ya na mame fansia na mame sisila dapa oba nimnyamfo oba so no oba obo no homoden eno ada oba share yebo school feeding secretariat no ono caterers no ka se ampa ogitum se eye sikatua bi ho nsam bi ayi kakra o se hwebe ebia na wotwe ayi besimi saa abosumi minu na akamu no o de bemo ya da access for saa aboche na wo no enmunyam won ho ama wasem kana kana ti mesra so obedi akire ama caterers nso no wona ti metu anamo a eba mo ni age omodwuma omoye ho Ghana chia o nso emuye that is the best hope inti yen tena saa best hope nso achia yen forso ane yen tene nsi ho se de be ya enchirima no ombetim adi adanse pa afa minu me da say inti you stay positive bye bye.